Are you interested in learning how to make $10,000 in commissions with 100% profitable, done for you digital business, which is going to be given to you on a silver platter with everything set up for you? Let me show you step by step how you can earn 100% profit by selling a done for you business system where you don't have to create a website, you don't have to create a landing page, you don't have to create email campaigns, you don't even have to create any kind of sales page, etc. Everything is done for you, everything is set up for you, everything is given to you, and every training is provided to you step by step how to start getting sales and earn $100, $200, $400, $600, and even $1,000 selling your own product, which is already created for you, setup is done for you and given to you. Are you interested? If you answered yes, keep watching this video, because in this video I'm going to share something very, very powerful that is changing thousands of people's lives. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, okay? Give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And please share this video with the people you care, because this one video could be more than enough to change someone's life, okay? So let's get into this video and let me show you how you can get access to something so powerful to build an instant authority in the marketplace on the internet and start selling your own product without you having to create the product, without you having to do all the setting. Everything is done for you. Let's get into this. Okay, so first of all, what I need you to do is I need you to go open up a new browser and go to this website here, link popping up on the screen, okay? You need to go to this website, okay, and you are going to watch this free training, okay? It shows you how to earn 10K in 30 days without any tech skills and without any endless hustles, all right? Watch this video and I'm going to show you what this is all about. You have an opportunity to change your life, okay? So when you go to this website link, what's going to happen is you're going to come to a page just like this, ready to create a 6 and even 7-figure lifestyle. You could watch the video here, it's just about 2-3 minutes long, okay? And then you could just read through all of this, all right? So read through, and then video 2 is 10K in 30 days presentation. Watch this video and he explains step by step exactly how you can change your life completely with a done for you business that's going to pay you 100% profit, no cut. It's your product. We're going to even show you step by step how to sell this product, okay? And then once you watch the video, while watching the video, you could see the people's result. This is just the tip of the berg, okay? There are plenty of people making money with plenty of wins and results, okay? Real people with real results. Look at this, people are making money, man. This is all this. I just put just like 0.00001% results down here. If I go on this, and then you could buy, you could see what you're going to get access to. You're going to get access to all top 4 product done for you, set up, done for you, created for you, with income stream where you're going to earn 100% profit. Then you're going to get access to all these top bonuses, okay? Community builder training. You're going to get the Canva crash course. You're going to get the My $1 million in 17 months, okay? And then you're going to get 200 digital product ideas, invisible in faceless marketing, 30-day market strategy, and you're going to see more results of people making money with this business model, all right? So if you are interested, you need to go to this link right now and you need to watch this video. Once you have finished watching the video or you're ready to go for this, what you do, you just click this orange button. You see these orange buttons here, okay? You're going to click on these orange buttons. This is another orange button down here, okay? And you click on this orange button, you're going to come to a page just like this, okay? And when you click on this, you could go through this, all right, and then you could see the results down here and just make your purchase, all right. And once you make your purchase, you're going to get instant access. But before I do everything, I want to share something with you, all right. I want to share you the results that people are getting. Once you join this profitable business model, what's going to happen is you're going to get access to a community that has over 55,000 members. 144 people are online right now, and in this community you're going to get everything. So let me just show you, okay. Let me click on more, so you can see this: introduce yourself, wins, daily videos and replays. This is, you know, whatever you're getting in this community is above the members training, okay. So the members training is completely different than what you're getting here. These are all extras that you're going to get in the community, because once you join the product, you're going to get access to a members area, and in that members area you're going to get access to all the video modules, webinars, everything set up for you, done for you, all right. But at the same time, as a bonus, you're going to get access to this community where you're going to get access to so many cool stuff. So let me go to the classroom and let me show you what you're getting access to. So getting started and access program. Remember, these are all bonuses. This is not part of the program. You're already getting access to training videos inside the members area, how to do everything, and how to start making those 100% profitable commissions. These are extra bonuses you're going to get. Fail proof bonuses. So first of all, get started and access program. Then you're going to get this 30-day momentum map, okay. Then you're going to get access to free webinars, details and resources. You're going to get access to the digital growth ecosystem, all right. Then you're going to get access to the mindset training. You're going to get access to the weekly tech support and Q&A call that happens every week. Ask any questions you want. You're going to get access to the mentoring Zoom replays, okay. And then you're going to get access to the 6 figures in 6 months live training. You're going to get access to the content vault. You're going to get access to the social media training, and then you have a couple of private courses down here as well. So that was the classroom. Let's just go back to the community and let me show you. You're going to get daily videos and replays down here. You're going to get access to social media. You're going to get shout out and welcomes, announcements, free live webinars, mindset and motivations. You're going to get access to everything. There is no way that if you join this and you go through the training and you take action the way you have been told with the correct mindset, there is no way you can fail. All right, there's no way you can fail. All right, so let me show you the wins. Let's just go to the wins, okay. Check this out. 1 day ago, woke up to another $300 customer on this beautiful Freedom Friday. All right. These are all the wins. All right. New lead. Look at this. 2,563 leads. 3 sales means so much. There you go. Check this out. Okay. After dinner. What was after dinner? All right. So we're just going to keep on seeing. Look at this. $900 is new wins for this September. New people wants to change their lives. $900. Okay. So we are sharing and showing what 3 weeks in my first $900 sales. Super excited. $900 sale. Watching my kids swim. Okay. Another one, $100 sale. $900 during the, what's this, Chiefs game. Okay. Another one, $900 ding. Okay. 1 day ago, I was checking my email before bed last night and I had a $900 sale yesterday. These are people who are beginners, my friend, never made a penny online. Look at this, $900 while I am around my desk at work. Another $300 sale. Okay. People are crushing it. Check this out, $900 legacy sale. There you go. I've been walking this journey since November 2021. On September 2nd, I had my first $900 sale. Alright. $300 while supporting friends. $300 while being with my son. And then it goes on. Look at this. Check this out. These are wins. This was page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. Look how many pages there are. 1,035. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Why are you afraid of taking the risk that could change your life permanently. What are you waiting for? You need to go here right now. Link popping up on the screen. Watch this video, okay? And watch the results. And once you are ready and convinced to join and start earning $100, $300, $600, $900 profit, click here. Get on board. I promise you're not going to be disappointed. But remember one thing. After you have joined, make sure you join the community. You are active in this community. Make sure you're watching the videos. Make sure you're taking action, because that's what's going to change. If you're someone lazy, don't want to do anything, then I don't know what, I can't help you. No one can help you. I want to help you. You have to do things what's going to be told, alright? So let me show you what's working. This is one of the biggest business models that top internet gurus are using right now to make 100% profitable commissions, like they have the authority in the marketplace. So if you are interested, links are going to be in my description box below this video. You can check all of those links out. If you can't find the links, okay, just go to my description box. You're going to find all the links. I'm going to put the link for this video as well for you to check out. And at the same time, you have an opportunity to have a done for you business in a box, okay? So don't let this pass by. This is your chance and your opportunity to change your life.